Hello everyone. I think all of you are safe now. As you know, schools across the world temporarily closed their doors due to COVID-19. We are turning to remote learning as a way to keep our students engaged. It's a new normal for education, playing a key role to facilitate. Now today myself and Paul going to discuss about the syllabus of class 10 mathematics. In class 10 mathematics there are 7 units. First unit is number system. In this unit there is only 6 marks. Second unit is algebra. In this unit you can score maximum 20 marks. Now unit 3 coordinate geometry. In this unit there is 6 marks. Next unit 4 geometry. In this unit there is 15 marks. Next unit 5 trigonometry. In this unit you can score maximum 12 marks. Now unit 6 mensuration. In this unit there is 10 marks. Now last unit, unit 7 statistics and probability. In this unit there is 11 marks. Total marks is 80. Now unit 1 number system. There is only one chapter, real number. In this chapter we have Euclid's division lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, proofs of irrationality of root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. Unit 2 algebra. In this unit there are 4 chapters. First chapter is polynomials, next pair of linear equation in two variables, next quadratic equation, next arithmetic progression. Now in polynomials we have 0 of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomials, problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. Next, in pair of linear equation in two variable, in this chapter we have solution of pair of linear equation in two variables by graphical method, by substitution, by elimination, by cross multiplication. Also we have consistency and inconsistency. Next, quadratic equation. In this chapter you will learn about what is quadratic equation, solutions of quadratic equation by factorization and by using quadratic formula. Also we have in this chapter relationship between discriminant and nature of roots. Next, arithmetic progression. In this chapter we have what is arithmetic progression, nth term of arithmetic progression, sum of the first nth term, and some application in solving daily life problems. Next, unit 3 coordinate geometry. In this unit there is only one chapter, lines in two dimensions. In this chapter we have concept of coordinate geometry, graphs of linear equation, distance formula, section formula, area of triangle. Next, unit 4 geometry. In this unit there are 3 chapters. First chapter is triangles, next circles, and last chapter is construction. In triangle we have definition of similar triangle, examples, counter examples of similar triangle, proof of some important theorem. Now in circle, you will learn about tangent to a circle, point of contact, length of the tangent. Next, construction. In this chapter, you have to construct division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. Also, you will learn how to draw tangent to a circle from a point outside it. Also, how to construct of a triangle similar to a given triangle. Next, Unit 5, Trigonometry. In this unit, there are 3 chapters: Introduction to Trigonometry, Trigonometric Identities, Height and Distance. In the first chapter, we have trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of a right angle triangle, values of the trigonometric ratio of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, relationship between the ratios. Now in second chapter, trigonometric identities. In this chapter we have proof and application of the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Also we have trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now third chapter, height and distance. In this chapter you will learn simple problems on height and distance, how to solve this kind of problem. Also angles of elevation, depression you will learn in this chapter. Next, Unit 6, Mensuration. There are 2 chapters: areas related to circle, and second chapter is surface areas and volume. Now in the first chapter we have area of a circle, area of sectors and segments of a circle. Now in the second chapter, surface areas and volume. In this chapter we have surface areas and volumes of a cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, first term of a cone. Unit 7, last unit, statistic and probability. There are 2 chapters. First chapter is statistic, second chapter is probability. In the first chapter, statistic, we have mean, median, mode of a group data. Also we have cumulative frequency graph. Now last chapter, probability. In this chapter you will learn the classical definition of probability, simple problems on finding the probability of an event. Thank you. Part 2 will be coming soon.